I got this lawnmower from Facebook Market and it's not running condition, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna start or not. So I got this lawnmower in one start. It runs on carb, starting liquid for a few seconds and then shuts off. So it has compression, it has spark, and the only thing is the problem is with the carb. So there is no fuel. When you put the fuel in, it burns. Once it's over, the machine will shut down. So I put it in my left, and then I'm gonna take out the carb and clean it and put it back. So I got this bilt TB110 push mower one start. So I'm gonna try to clean the carb, and I have 4 bolts, 2 probably for the air filter housing and 2 for the carb. So I'm gonna see if I can do it. Okay, that's 1, 2, nothing. Okay, so I still have to take this same, no, smaller. This is 5/16. Probably the smaller is, no, that's all. Something there. I'm not sure what size that. Looks like I don't have it. Should look for it. Okay, so I found the size. It's 7 millimeter. So just gonna do it. Second one. Okay, there's a breather hose connected here in the back. I don't know what is all that. That's a lot of dirt. Maybe I just take the bowl out and take the, so I don't have to take the whole thing out. It's much easier, but I have to stop the fuel first because we're gonna have a leak. So we'll do that. Okay, first screw. Let's take the second one. Second one on this. Okay. Hopefully I don't break it. With the flat head screw, just gonna pry over here. There's no more bolts. Let me see. Okay, there's a space here. There we go. Can't tell, it's dark. There's some debris in there. So I cleaned the bowl and I cleaned the jet under there. I just cleaned it, otherwise I have to take the whole carb out, which is, I don't like these carbs. It's plastic and it gets damaged quick and I could break it while I'm taking it out. So I'm just gonna try to put it back on and see if it's gonna run. I let the plier go and some gas went down, so when I push the bowl float up, it stopped the gas, which is, this means it's good. So now I'm gonna put it back together and see if it's gonna run or not. So I installed the bowl cover and I put back everything back same. As you can see, everything is very dirty. That's why the carb stopped. Hopefully I don't have to take it out again. It's just the main jet. Those carbs are like plastic and it's fragile, and you can break it easily, so you have to get another new carb. So let's take it down, put the cover and filter. Maybe I'm gonna check the filter condition, and probably is dirty as well. Let's see. I mean, it's bad, but it's not as bad. So I have a new one, so I'm just gonna put that on and we're gonna put it down and try it, and hopefully it will start. So I put it down and I plug the spark plug again. For safety, I usually take it off so it doesn't start accidentally. Let's see.